Over 60? Eat these 6 anti-inflammatory foods to erase joint pain and swelling naturally. Have you noticed more stiffness in your knees lately? Maybe that dull ache when you get up in the morning, or that swelling around your ankles that just doesn't seem to go away? These aren't just random signs of aging. They're your body's way of asking for help. As we grow older, chronic inflammation quietly builds up inside our joints. It's what makes your knees creak, your fingers stiffen, and your legs feel heavy after a short walk. Scientists call it inflammaging, age-related inflammation that wears down your joints from the inside out. But here's the hopeful part. Your body still has the power to heal if you feed it the right foods. Recent studies show that adding certain anti-inflammatory foods to your diet can reduce joint pain by up to 45% in just a few weeks, without relying on painkillers. And today, we'll uncover 6 powerful natural foods proven to calm inflammation, rebuild cartilage, and help your legs feel light and pain-free again. One of them is something most people throw away every day, yet it could be the missing link to pain-free movement after 60. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Where do you feel the most stiffness? Your knees, hips, or hands? And what foods do you usually eat to support your joints? Share your thoughts in the comments. We love reading them and giving personalized advice. Number 1. Turmeric, nature's golden healer. This bright golden spice has been used for centuries to ease pain and swelling, and now modern science is catching up. The secret lies in curcumin, a powerful compound that blocks inflammatory enzymes in the same way as many over-the-counter pain medicines, but without the side effects. A 2020 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that adults over 60 who took turmeric daily saw a 58% drop in joint stiffness after just 8 weeks. Many even reported better flexibility in their knees and fewer flare-ups after physical activity. To make turmeric work for you, it needs 2 things: black pepper and healthy fat. Piperine from black pepper increases curcumin absorption by nearly 2,000%, and fat helps it move into your cells. You can stir a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper into warm milk, or mix it into scrambled eggs or soups. If you prefer a morning tonic, blend it with lemon juice, honey, and olive oil. A simple anti-inflammatory elixir to start your day. Avoid relying only on supplements unless they're from a trusted brand. The body absorbs curcumin best from real food. Taken regularly, turmeric helps ease stiffness, lower swelling, and even support brain and heart health. All from one golden spice. Number 2. Fatty fish, omega-3s that lubricate your joints. When it comes to fighting inflammation, few foods compare to wild-caught salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which act like natural joint lubricants. They calm overactive immune cells that attack your cartilage and replace inflammation with healing. In a 2021 clinical trial from the Arthritis Research and Therapy Journal, older adults who ate fatty fish 3 times a week experienced a 49% reduction in morning stiffness and greater walking comfort in just 10 weeks. Omega-3s also boost blood flow to the legs, which means less fluid retention and less swelling after standing or walking. For best results, eat 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week, preferably grilled or baked, not fried. If fish isn't your thing, consider fish oil or algae oil supplements, both proven to raise anti-inflammatory omega-3 levels safely. To balance taste, squeeze lemon over your fish and serve it with dark leafy greens. The vitamin C in those greens helps your body rebuild collagen and protect joint tissue. Number 3. Berries, tiny fruits with giant healing power. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries aren't just sweet snacks. They're natural joint protectors. Packed with anthocyanins, these colorful compounds neutralize free radicals that cause inflammation and joint damage. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging revealed that adults over 60 who ate a cup of mixed berries every day had 34% lower C-reactive protein levels, one of the main markers of inflammation in the blood. They also reported less knee pain and better mobility. Berries are most powerful when eaten raw and fresh. No added sugar, no syrup. You can toss them into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. For an anti-inflammatory boost, add chia seeds or flax seeds for extra omega-3s. Frozen berries also work. Just make sure they have no added sugar. Eaten daily, these small fruits can protect your joints, arteries, and brain all at once, keeping you energetic and pain-free, even after long walks. Number 4. Ginger, the root that fights pain like ibuprofen. You've probably used ginger for nausea or digestion, but few people realize how powerful it is for joint pain. Ginger contains gingerols and shogals, compounds that stop inflammation at the cellular level, almost like natural ibuprofen. In a 2020 clinical trial published in Pain Medicine, seniors with chronic knee pain who took ginger powder daily for 12 weeks experienced a 40% drop in pain intensity and improved flexibility without any side effects. You can slice fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for tea, or blend it into soups, stir-fries, or smoothies. For faster results, pair it with turmeric. The two work synergistically to calm inflammation from both sides. Avoid sugary ginger candies. They cancel out the benefits. Instead, choose fresh or powdered organic ginger. Even a small daily dose can make a huge difference in mobility, especially when combined with light stretching or walking. Number 5. Extra virgin olive oil, liquid gold for your joints. The Mediterranean secret to healthy aging lies in this one ingredient: extra virgin olive oil. It's loaded with oleocanthal, a compound proven to work similarly to anti-inflammatory drugs, but without harming the stomach or kidneys. Researchers from the University of Athens, to get the benefit, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil on salads, vegetables, or soups. Don't fry it at high temperatures. Heat destroys the delicate anti-inflammatory compounds. If you combine olive oil with leafy greens, tomatoes, and fish, you're recreating a true Mediterranean anti-inflammatory meal that nourishes your joints from the inside out. Choose cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil in dark glass bottles. Store it away from light and heat to keep its healing power intact. Use daily, it keeps your joints flexible, your skin glowing, and your heart strong. Number 6. Green tea, the soothing drink that heals from within. It's not just a relaxing beverage. Green tea is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories on Earth. Its star compound, EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, helps block enzymes that break down cartilage and connective tissue. A 2023 study in the Journal of Inflammation Research found that adults who drank 2 cups of green tea daily for 12 weeks had a 36% drop in inflammatory markers and significantly better knee flexibility. The best time to drink green tea is mid-morning or mid-afternoon, between meals. Avoid adding milk, as it can bind to the antioxidants and reduce their effectiveness. For extra joint support, squeeze a bit of lemon into your tea. The vitamin C helps your body absorb the catechins more effectively. Whether hot or cold, green tea is a simple daily habit that calms inflammation, supports circulation, and even boosts brain clarity. If you're over 60 and dealing with swelling, stiffness, or pain in your joints, your body isn't breaking down, it's asking for nourishment. The 6 foods we covered: turmeric, fatty fish, berries, ginger, olive oil, and green tea are simple, affordable, and backed by science. They don't just reduce inflammation, they help your joints rebuild, move, and heal. And remember, it's not about eating them once or twice. It's the small daily habits that lead to lasting comfort and strength. So which of these anti-inflammatory foods have you tried before? Did you notice a difference in your pain or swelling? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could inspire someone else to start healing too. Here's to stronger joints, less pain, and more freedom to move every single day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future health tips from Feel Fresh 360. Your support helps us keep sharing natural solutions for senior wellness.